Hey everybody,
Hi.
welcome back. And for this one, we are drawing
Sonic.
Sonic. What?
What?
Here we go. Okay, easy. So we're gonna start in the middle here. Here we go. So in the middle here, we're gonna do a little nibble shape.
And then
Got that? Then we're gonna go and do little bowl shapes either way, and we're gonna hit with a big bowl. So little bowl. Watch this. Big bowl. You got that?
Yep.
Okay. So my Sonic will have a little smile. Your shadow can have a little frown. There we go.
upfront.
Okay. The frown is an upside down smile. And then we're gonna go with a big M shape for the eyes.
Yep.
So just like that. Yep. And now we draw black pupils. But we need to draw ovals around that as well, eh? Because that's going to be color. You got that?
Yep.
And now we are drawing a hand, a fist. So just watch me here. I'm doing 1 stop, 2 stop, 3 stop, 4 stop, and I bring it down and I make just a shape like that. So 4 bumps and a shape. There we go, you've got it. We add a little thumb there. I actually press down too hard on this so it bled a bit, so now it's a thick line. Anyway, we do finger lines for the knuckle. Now you can see it's a first.
Where should you add
A finger. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's my little thumb there. Okay, and now we're doing cuff. We sleeve. Just do a cuff there. And you've got that. And now above this M shape by the eyes, I'm going to do a little line there and a little line there. That's going to be the base of our ears. So
Yep.
I'm drawing an ear there and another ear there. You've got that?
Yep.
Now we're drawing the outer shape of those ears. Got it?
Yep.
Yep. Okay. So now, this is where the fun starts. We draw, for my Sonic, I'm going to draw a line going back and back. So Sonic the Hedgehog, his spikes, his hair, all faces back, am I right? Where Shadow, he's got 4 major spikes going, 2 on each side and 2 on the left and 2 on the right. So for Sonic, my face is going to come down here, just over there, and it's going to continue there. I'm drawing my Sonic spikes. See, Sonic has spikes at the back here.
And my one is
4 major spikes going out, that's correct.
there's the wheel.
Yeah, and you have a little bit in the middle that goes in. And now we draw the tummy shape. So I'm just going to do an oval. I'm going to leave a space and a complete oval on that side. So Sonic's tummy has an oval on it.
All shadows.
Shadow has a little bit of chest hair going there. That's correct. And now this side, I'm going to pop out an elbow like that. You got it?
Yep.
Draw the little cuff. Ooh, I messed up there. Sorry for that.
Alright.
That's okay. We don't make mistakes. We make happy little accidents.
Yep.
So, I've lost it. Coming down here, I'm curling this finger back, and now it just looks like a fist. It's pointing the other way. Got it?
Yep.
Okay. My finger looks a bit weird, but that's fine. And then now, straight leg there. I'm just finishing it off. The space between the legs and the other leg there. Finishing it off. And I'm adding some Sonic spikes back there. Got that? Now top of the shoes.
Yeah.
So Sonic has plain white shoes.
And a little bit of red.
Well, plain white socks, sorry, and then red shoes with a white band going across. So my shoe is going to look like that. Plain big shoe with a red band going across.
Yep.
And a little white sole.
And mine was gonna be like so.
It's got some different kind of shoes on.
Yes, because there are L shoes.
Good?
L shoes.
Okay, it's got edges on his shoes.
L shoes.
A shoes.
Yeah, you know how shadow dating?
No, you can skate.
Yes, because of that shoe. Because
Oh, I didn't know.
you're not ordinary shoes.
Not ordinary shoes. Okay, I
Yes.
understand now. So now my other shoe is just plain again with the white band going across it. Because that's what Sonic shoes look like with my little sole. And your shoes?
Yeah, like
These fancy ear shoes.
yes,
Ah.
fancy shoes.
And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
This is my Sonic, and that's his shadow. I think you need some red on his spikes, on his 4 spikes.
Maybe don't show it, but alright.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so that's Sonic and that's Shadow. Well done, easy. Time to color.
Yeah, because I want to see the.
Yeah, you want to see the movie when it comes up, I know. Here we go.
Yep.
Sonic is #1. Sonic is coming next, so watch out for Sonic. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Gotta go faster, 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 faster. Sonic, Sonic, gotta go faster, gotta go fast. Gotta go faster, 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 Sonic.
And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's Izzy's Shadow. Correct? That's
Yep.
Shadow. And this is my Sonic. So I hope you guys could follow the drawing and split, take the different routes whichever way you went. But you can let us know in the comments. Maybe you like the Shadow more, maybe you drew that, maybe you drew the Sonic. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Yep.
Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. Be good
And have fun.
and have fun.
Bye.